Welcome to our guide on how to manage deleted receipts in Docyt's receipt box. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docyt account. To access the receipt list, go to the top header menu and click Expense Management. Then, select Receipt Box followed by Settings in the primary header menu. Click Trash on the left navigation screen to access the section, restoring or permanently deleting individual documents. In the Trash section, locate the deleted receipt document you want to manage. Click the down arrow next to the document to reveal the available options. Choose Restore to recover the deleted receipt document or Delete Permanently to remove it permanently. Bulk Actions for efficient document management. If you need to perform actions on multiple deleted receipt documents, you can just select the checkbox next to each document you want to manage. On the right side of the screen, click on the ellipsis, 3 dots, to access the bulk action options. Utilize the available bulk actions, such as Select All to choose all documents, Restore Selected to restore multiple documents at once, or Delete Selected to permanently delete multiple documents simultaneously. And there you have it. You have now learned how to manage deleted receipts in Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.